You also asserts that a statement is false because it is inconsistent with what the speaker has said or done.
And now, to present the grant money, a legendary figure in educational disbursement, State Comptroller Atkins.
Woo!
Thank you. I'm here tonight to honor the girl whose unprecedented test score has set a new standard in excellence. Lisa?
Thank you. I know this giant check is very important to everyone here. But what's even more important is the truth. Because after all, education is the search for truth.
No, it isn't. Don't listen to her. She's out of her mind.
And the truth is, we don't deserve this grant, and I don't deserve your applause. I cheated on that test.
Wait! How dare you condemn this girl? Who among you can honestly say you've never cheated? On your wives or your husbands? What she just did took courage. And where I come from, Canada, we reward courage. So I hereby decree that you keep the grant. And let's give this brave girl the ovation she deserves.
Oh, honey, I'm so proud of you. You got the highest grade in the class.
But, Mom...
The highest grade.
Okay, Lisa's gone.
Places, people.
Oh, man. Acting is tough. I'll be in my trailer.
Oh, good old predictable Lisa. I knew her conscience was a ticking time bomb.
Heads up! Here comes the real comptroller.
In this clip, the state comptroller, who we later learn is being impersonated by Otto, tells the audience that they do not have the right to condemn Lisa for cheating on a test when they themselves may have done the same thing in different ways. Essentially, he says that the audience is wrong because they have done the same wrong thing. But while the audience may be hypocritical, this does not justify or make right Lisa's actions. If it is wrong for the audience to cheat, then so too is it wrong for Lisa to do so. By saying the audience is wrong because its actions are inconsistent with its ideal, Otto commits the you also fallacy. Subscribe to Coldward Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.